Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be making one of my favorite holiday side dishes, cornbread casserole. So let's get started. So here are the ingredients. I'll have the full recipe in the description section below the video. I have corn muffin mix, whole sweet corn, sour cream, eggs beaten, milk, and some oil. Okay, so the recipe calls for creamed corn and I couldn't find it in the store where I live, so I'm going to make my own. So here I have a can of corn, sweet corn, and I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 cups of milk. And give that a stir. Alright, so I'm going to pop this in the microwave for about 3 minutes. You can also cook it on the stove. The idea is to get the corn to the point where it's a little bit soft. So I've made my cream corn here, and I'm going to pour it in my mixing bowl here. It's still quite warm. So I'm going to go ahead and add the other 2 cans of corn. Which will help it to cool down somewhat. So I'm going to stir that. So now I'm going to add 1 cup of oil. You can use any oil for this. Let's give that a stir. Okay. So now I'm going to add the sour cream. Give that a stir. Everything looks nice and creamy. And then I'm going to add the eggs that were beaten. Give that a stir. And then lastly, I'm going to add the dry corn bread mix. And give that a stir. Stir that well to make sure all the dry ingredients are combined with the wet. Okay. Now I'm going to just pour the entire mixture into my greased copper pot here. Very heavy, so I'm going to have to scoop the rest. And this is a very large portion, guys, because my family really enjoys it, and also because we're in Corona time, we decided to make enough to share with our friends. So now I'm going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or about 180 Celsius for 45 minutes, and the top is golden brown. So there you have it, guys. Cornbread casserole. Happy holidays. Thanks for watching.